Hello and welcome to the channel. This is a routine case of phacoemulsification which has been performed on a 35 years old male patient with a history of topical steroid usage for more than 6 months. Due to indiscriminate usage of topical dexamethasone for more than 6 months, he developed posterior subcapsular cataract in both eyes. The intraocular pressure recorded in both eyes was within normal range. So we took up the left eye, and this is the surgery of the left eye being performed. By this time, one side put has been made. Main put has been made by a 2.8 keratome blade, and Rexis has been initiated and performed using a 26G bent needle cystotome. I am aiming for about 5 millimeter capsular access. Hydrodissection has been performed, and now hydro delineation has been done. Considering the soft nature of the cataract, it is a good idea to prolapse the nucleus out of the capsular bag. Softer cataracts are difficult to hold, difficult to chop. So here I am planning to emulsify the nucleus as a whole. Using a Sinskey hook, I try to tilt the nucleus a bit and start emulsifying the nucleus. Phaco power used in this case is 20, and it's been used in pulse mode. Vacuum used is 250, and the machine being used is Millennium from Bausch & Lomb. Without much of chopping, the whole nucleus could be easily emulsified and removed from the eye. Now is the time to remove the remaining cortex. Coaxial handpiece has been used with vacuum settings of 350. Some subincisional cortex could not be removed, and it was left to be removed after the implantation of the intraocular lens. Eye is now being filled up with viscoelastic, and here comes the intraocular lens. The leading haptic goes into the capsular bag. Now the trailing haptic is being dialed into the capsular bag. Viscoelastic was then removed both in front and behind the intraocular lens. During the process, the iris got incarcerated into the main wound, which was then released, and some diluted myocol was instilled into the eye. That is the end of the case. Thank you so much.